circuit. Okay. If you have any doubt in half adder and full adder circuit, you can ask now. Then we will proceed further. Anyone? If anyone has any doubt in
सर फुल एडर का एक बार सर वो दिखा दीजिए, सर्किट कैसे बनाते हैं गेट्स का यूज करके.
गेट्स का यूज करके.
हाँ जी.
ओके. एनी अदर डाउट? Any other doubt? Okay. So I will share my screen now. Let me share my screen. So before drawing the circuit for half adder and full adder, I am assuming that you all know the Boolean expression for both the circuits. You all know both the Boolean expression for both the for full adder, for the sum output and the carry output.
सर एंड ये एक्सोर गेट सर इस्तेमाल होता है ना सर उसके सम वाले के लिए.
यस, एक्सोर गेट इस्तेमाल होता है. ठीक है.
और एंड यूज होता है उसके लिए, कैरी वाले के लिए.
नैंड यूज होता है या एंड यूज होता है? अच्छा, पहले what is the expression for? First let us see the expression for half adder and full adder. है ना? Okay. So you are asking about the full adder expression, no? The circuit of full adder. है? So this is your output, है ना? A XOR B XOR C. Okay. So here two input XOR gates are used. Okay. There is one sum output and one carry output, है ना? So the expression for carry output is this: AB, BC, and CA. Okay. So we'll draw the circuit here. I will show you on the logisim. These are the gates. So for full adder, you know, I am using two inputs. Okay, because there are two inputs and total number of inputs in full adder is 3. यहाँ पे 3 होती हैं और यहाँ पे मैं सिर्फ 2 इनपुट XOR गेट यूज कर रहा हूँ. सो मेरे को एक तीसरा दूसरा XOR गेट यूज करना पड़ेगा. ओके. जिसकी एक आउटपुट जो है उसको जाएगी एज ए इनपुट ऑफ द सेकंड XOR गेट. ओके. और यहाँ से आएगी C इनपुट, यहाँ से आएगी A और यहाँ से आएगी B. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is the circuit. Okay. Now let me use your wiring. Use one pin. I'm using second pin and your third pin. Okay. And there will be one output which I will do by using output LED. Okay. So this is your LED. Okay. So what is this? This is your
sum.
This is for your sum. Yeah. This is your A input. A to the west. Okay. This is your B. and this is your P. Okay. And what was the expression for carry? Carry was AB, BC, and CA. Okay. So we will use a AND gate for AB, another AND gate for BC, another AND gate for CA, and what will we do? We will use OR gate, है ना, for the logical OR expression, है ना. What we will do? Okay. So I will, as you extract out these inputs from these A. This is from B, AB. I will keep it from AB. I will draw it from A, from B. This is from B and C, and this is from A, and this is from C. And I will use one LED to show the output. Okay. So is this circuit understandable to all?
सर इसमें जो और गेट आपने यूज किए हैं सर, दो दो क्यों किए हैं? मतलब एक ही में अगर तीनों एंड गेट का इनपुट डाल देते तब फिर?
Because we are not using 3 input OR gates or any 3 input gate right now. ठीक है, आपका जो वो है लिमिट है वो है 2 inputs, because currently you are dealing with only 2 input ICs, है ना, 2 input gates. That's why I am using 2 inputs. ठीक है, and you will also use 2 inputs right now. ठीक है, that is the matter for further studying when we will use 3 inputs and 4 inputs input gates. Okay, right now we will use 2 input gates only. Otherwise you can use, but your curriculum is right now limited to 2 input gates. Okay, that's why I'm using it.
सर इसका मतलब सम वाले के लिए भी एक ही एक्सोर गेट यूज करके काम हो सकता है ना?
Yes, अगर वो 3 input XOR गेट है तो उसका डेफिनेटली हाँ हो सकता है.
ओके सर, थैंक
है ना. If you have multiple input gates, then you can use them to carry out your complex task, है ना. So which I have done here, है ना. So I have extracted for this A, B, B, C and CA, है ना, and then OR them. Okay, separately, है ना, and the output of this gate is given to the input of the next OR gate, है ना. So this gate along with this input generate the total carry output. So this is your carry. Okay,
ओके सर.
है ना. So what is your sum? If I write it, I will put the label for sum as A, sum as like this, A XOR B XOR C. Okay, A XOR B XOR C. This is your total output, है ना? The output here is here. The output of this is
A XOR B.
A XOR B. Okay. This will give you A XOR B, है ना? And this will give you A XOR B XOR C. Now this gate will give you A and B. है ना? I will write it here. A and B. This is for B and C, and this is for C and A or A and C. Both are the same thing. ठीक है? A and C. Okay. Ultimately, this OR circuit will give you A and B plus, है ना? This will give you plus. So this is a logical OR operation, है ना? If I write it like this, so you will understand. OR B and C. सबको विजिबल है? दिख रहा है ये? Everyone understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this OR circuit will then add this to your this output, and it will produce a carry output as, what is your carry output? Will be like AB plus BC plus AC or CA. ठीक है ना? Your logical operation or operation is represented by this plus sign. Okay. So now if I run this circuit, if all the inputs are 0, your sum is 0 and your carry is 0, है ना? If one of the input is on, your sum is 1 and carry is 0. If two of the inputs are on, your sum is 0, carry is 1. And if all the inputs are 1, your sum is 1 and your carry is 1. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. मैं अभी ज़्यादा इनपुट वाली आईसीज इसलिए नहीं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज आपको सिर्फ अभी 2 इनपुट के साथ डील करना है ना. यू हैव 2 इनपुट, है ना? क्वाड 2 इनपुट, है ना? 7486 एक्सॉर गेट आईसी, है ना? और 7408 क्वाड 2 इनपुट एंड गेट आईसी. ओके, क्योंकि आपको सिर्फ 2 इनपुट से डील करना है अभी. सो आई एम टेलिंग यू by keeping 2 input AND gates in mind, है ना? Otherwise, if you have multiple input gates, you can use those inputs. Okay. But the ICs you are studying right now, 7486, 7408, 7404, 7402, है ना? Those all ICs are either 2 input or 1 input, है ना? 1 input in the case of inverter, which is your NOT gate, है ना? and 2 input the in the case of all the other gates, है ना, XOR gate, XNOR gate, OR gate, AND gate, and NOR and NAND, your two universal gates. Okay, so if one of the input is kept 0, your sum will be 0 and your carry will be generated as 1, है ना. So your LED for the carry is on and the sum is for the sum, the LED is off when either two of the three inputs are high, है ना. Either two of the three inputs are high, then the sum is always 0, carry will be 1, है ना. If either one of the inputs out of 3 is on, the sum is always high, the sum bit is high and the carry is 0. Okay, so ये सर्किट सबको समझ में आ गया. हेलो.
यस,
आ गया समझ. किसको किसको था ये प्रॉब्लम? राहुल
सर आ गया सर.
प्रॉब्लम
आ गया सर, आ गया.
आ गया.
आपने जो सर्किट बनाया एक बार फिर से दिखाना.
ओके, सो दिस इज योर सर्किट.
शांत, राहुल
यस मैम.
जवाब नहीं दे रहे.
मैम मैंने बोला अभी आ गया.
आ गया.
मैंने भी ये सेम सर्किट रेप्लिकेट करा है बट मेरा तो काम ही नहीं कर रहा.
आप किस में कर रहे हो? लॉजिक सिम पे?
यस भैया.
सो आपको कनेक्शंस दोबारा करने पड़ेंगे. कई बार क्या होता है, आपके कनेक्शंस किसी और यहाँ से दिखाता नहीं है, बट वो यहाँ बी से गया होता है, बट वो शो ए से कर रहा होता है. सो ड्रॉ योर कनेक्शंस अगेन, ठीक है, मेक देम नीट एंड क्लीन, ठीक है, so that no connection should overlap, है ना. No connection should overlap with each other, है ना. It should be visible to you that it is connected to either A or B or C, है ना. Okay, draw your connections again. If it is not working, it is definitely a mistake in your connections, because gates cannot be faulty here, है ना. Okay, any other problem? Paras, Rishi, Rishit, Purnima, any other problem?
No sir.
Okay, so should we move forward?
Yes sir.
Okay. So the next experiment for you is half verification of half and full subtractor. Okay, so we will look into this. Okay, so your third experiment is to study and verify half and full subtractor. ठीक है, जैसे नाम से ही आपको पता लग रहा है, this is your subtractor, है ना, used to subtract 2 or either 3 bits, है ना. So if we look at the theory, ठीक है, so your subtractor circuit, it takes 2 binary bits as input and subtract one binary number input from the other binary number. It's very simple, ठीक है. In normal everyday you do your decimal subtractions, है ना. Like if I show you here, है ना. Suppose you are subtracting 19 from 26. Okay, so what you do, you take one borrow from here, है ना, you subtract, you take one borrow, so here it becomes 1, and that one taken borrow will go to the previous place, and it adds up like this, है ना? So your 9 will be subtracted now from 16. Earlier it was from 6, but as you have taken a borrow, so now it will be subtracted from your 16. So if you subtract 9 from 16, it's 7. Your answer will be 7. Similar is the case with your binary numbers. What happens with binary numbers? If I am subtracting 0 from 0, so the answer will be 0, evidently. If I am subtracting 0 from 1, your answer will be 1. Or if I subtract 1 from 1, your answer will be 0. It's like normal subtraction. But what happens when you subtract 1 from a 0? What happens if you subtract 1 from a 0? So what you have to do, because your second bit is higher than this bit, so what you have to do is you have to take a borrow here. If I take a borrow here, it becomes 1 0. It is not a 10, it is 1 0, which is 2 in binary. It is 2 in binary. 1 0 is nothing but 2 in binary. So when you subtract 1 from 2, so your answer will be 1, and your borrow will be recorded in your borrow output, which is the case here. So in your subtractor circuit, there are 2 inputs, and the outputs are 2 also, which is one of it is difference output, and the other one is borrow output. If you are taking a borrow to compensate your difference, so a borrow output is generated, which is the case when your B input is higher than the A input. It is the only case when you have to take a borrow to carry out the difference operation. Okay. When the A input is higher than or equal to B, your answer will be either 0 or either 1. But it is the only case, this is the only case when you have to take a borrow, when your B input is higher than your A input, which is similar to the example I have shown you earlier, which is of when you subtract 19 from 26. So first you take your units place, you look at this 6. Now the value 6 is smaller than 9, so you have to take a borrow from 2, so it becomes 1 6, so that it becomes 1 6. Now you subtract your 9 from this 1 6, and your answer will be 7. Similar is the case with your binary subtraction, where you take one borrow to compensate and then subtract to get your answer. So I've told you earlier, this is not 10, this is 1 0, which is 2 in binary, and if you subtract 1 from it, you will get 1 as the answer. And because you have to take a borrow to carry out this operation, your borrow will also be recorded in the output. Okay, because this is your binary representation of numbers from 0 to 7, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So you can see your binary representation for 1 is also 1. 0 0 1 is nothing but, I can also write it as like this, and 0 I can write it like this. Now 2 I have to represent, 2 can be represented as this, 3 is represented like this, So this is your subtraction operation. इसमें किसी को कोई डाउट है प्लीज, इफ एनी डाउट रिगार्डिंग दिस, सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑपरेशन कैसे कैरी आउट हुआ, किसी को डाउट? Any doubt regarding this? Okay. So after this difference operation, what you have to do is you have to deduct the Boolean expression for difference and borrow. You have to calculate your Boolean expression so as to draw your circuit. Okay. Once you have figured out the difference and borrow, you have to calculate the Boolean expression. After Boolean expression, you have to draw the circuit accordingly. You know? So if you look at the difference, it is very similar. It is similar to your XOR gate, you know, or half adder circuit. If you have seen the half adder circuit, the difference is also same to that. Okay, so if you look at this, the difference output will be A bar B plus AB bar, which is nothing but OR gate, XOR gate, sorry, which is XOR gate. So your difference circuit can also be realized using your XOR gate, and your borrow is nothing but A bar B. A bar B. In case of half adder, your carry output was there. And what was this carry output? That carry output was generated when your input was AB. In the case of your half subtractor circuit, what happened here is when your input sequence is A bar B, then your output borrow is generated. So that is the only difference between the half adder and half subtractor circuit in terms of Boolean expressions. Okay. And what is the difference in the circuit here? Your sum output is very similar to your difference output. In case of half adder, the sum output was also A bar B plus AB bar, which was realized through XOR gate. And in the case of half subtractor, the difference output is also realized through XOR gate, which is A bar B plus AB bar. Okay, there is a slight difference. What is that slight difference? An inverter is introduced in the circuit in this input, so that you can obtain borrow here as A bar B, because A is coming from here, it is inverting that. Here comes A bar, and when it is ANDed with B, so you get your borrow output as A bar B. ओके, सो यहाँ पे आपको A बार B मिलेगा, यहाँ पे आउटपुट है. ओके, ये सबको समझ में आया? एनी डाउट इन दिस?
यस सर, समझ में आया
है ना. सिमिलरली अगर हम फुल सबट्रैक्टर का केस देखें, इसमें क्या हो रहा है? सिमिलरली जैसे फुल एडर में था, हम क्या कर रहे थे? 3 बिट्स को ऐड कर रहे थे. यहाँ पे हम 3 बिट्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, ठीक है. और वो दैट सब्ट्रैक्शन वुड टेक प्लेस सीक्वेंशियली. पहले आप क्या करोगे? यू टेक A and B टुगेदर, you calculate this result, and whatever the result comes, you will subtract it from with this bit B. So suppose your A and B bits are this 0 and 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Result आया 0. That result is now subtracted from 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0, again 0. So your difference bit is 0, and your this bit is also 0. Now take the second case for example. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay. Now 0 minus 1 is because यहाँ पे ये वाली बिट जो है, इसका रिजल्ट जो है, इन दोनों बिट्स का रिजल्ट जो है वो लो है देन दिस बिट. सो अ बोरो हैज टू बी टेकन हियर. यहाँ पे आप एक बोरो लोगे. सो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ पे 0 minus 0 is 0. Now because this bit is higher than the result, you have to take a borrow. That becomes 1 0. Now 1 0 minus 1, which is 2 minus 1, difference becomes 1, and you had to take a borrow, so that borrow is also recorded here. Okay, again same example, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, यहाँ पे आपको फिर से borrow लेना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे बन जाएगा 1 0, 1 0 minus 1 is 1, because 2 minus 1 is 1, and 1 minus 0 is again 1, so your difference becomes 1, and you had to take a borrow, so that borrow is also recorded here. Okay, now take this example, 0 minus 1 is, यहाँ पे आपको एक borrow लेना पड़ेगा, because this bit is lower than this bit, यहाँ पे आपको एक borrow लेना पड़ेगा, 1 0, 1 0 minus 1, 1 0 minus 1 is 1, again the result is 1, so now we will subtract that result from this, so 1 minus 1 is 0, and your borrow is recorded as 1, because you have to take a borrow first hand in this bit. Okay, so that borrow is also recorded. Okay, next example is very simple, 1 minus 0 is 1, and 1 minus 0 is 1, so here 1 is there in difference, and borrow is nothing. Okay, so you can do it like this, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, so 0 and 0, you don't have to take a borrow here, so there is no borrow here, and the difference is also 0. Okay, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, so your difference is 0, and you don't have to take a borrow here, so there is no borrow here. Okay, similarly the last case, 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, and now the result came as 0, now you have to take a borrow to subtract it from it, so you have to take a borrow, 1 0 it becomes, now 1 0 minus 1 is again 1, and you had to take a borrow, so that borrow is also recorded here. Okay, so any doubt in this truth table?
ये लास्ट वाली लाइन सर एक बार दोबारा बताइएगा.
Last wala,
जी.
this last case.
Yes sir.
Okay, so look at this, 1 minus 1 is what? You tell me.
0.
0. Okay, the result is 0, यहाँ पे 0 आ गया, यहाँ पे मैंने 0 लिख लिया suppose. ठीक है, now ये वाली बिट बड़ी है इससे, 0 से बड़ी है ना, है ना?
Yes sir.
So you have to take a borrow now.
Yes sir.
है ना? So अगर मैं borrow लूंगा तो क्या बन जाएगा, 1 0 बन जाएगा.
Yes sir.
बस इसका रिजल्ट क्या आया था, 1 minus 1 0 आया था ना, यहाँ पे 0 लिख लिया suppose मैंने इसका रिजल्ट. ठीक है, अब मेरे को यहाँ इससे सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि 0 is less than 1, नो, 0 is less than 1, so मेरे को एक borrow लेना पड़ेगा, है ना? borrow लिए तो क्या बन जाएगा, 1 0, 1 0 is what? 2. Now 2 minus 1 is
1.
so answer recorded as 1, difference is 1, और आपको borrow भी लेना पड़ा ना, क्योंकि यहाँ पे
Yes sir.
यहाँ पे आपको एक borrow लेना पड़ा ना, so that borrow is also recorded.
Okay sir.
है ना? Okay,
Okay sir.
any doubt? किसी को इसमें कोई डाउट प्लीज? Okay, so if you look at the Boolean expression of difference operator, you will notice that it is similar to your full adder circuit, which is A XOR B XOR C. So in the place of C out, here it becomes B in, that is borrow in, है ना? Okay, so what they have done is D is nothing but it is equal to A XOR B XOR borrow input. Okay, and your borrow output will become as, यहाँ से ये इसका boolean expression, ठीक है, इसका boolean expression क्या आ जाएगा, it is nothing but A bar B plus A bar B, sorry, A bar borrow in plus A bar B input plus B into borrow in. These are the two expression for your difference and your borrow output. Okay, and this is your circuit. Okay. So you understood this?
जी
And out in this, any doubt in this? Now if you have two inputs, है ना? This is your black box representation of your half subtractor, है ना? So this black box represent what? This is this circuit, है ना? So अब आप draw कर सकते हो. Now please go to your simulations, है ना? And do it on your own. Please verify your the truth tables for your half subtractor and full subtractor. Go to the simulations. Open the half subtractor circuit first, है ना? And then verify the truth table by exciting the circuit and adding the truth table to your this table, है ना? By pressing this button. Okay. Go ahead and do it on your own, please, all of you. Okay. So if you see, look at the circuit. What they have used is 7486 XOR gate IC, है ना? Some inverters are used and your AND gate ICs. Okay, in half adder circuit. This is your half subtractor circuit. So there is no use of OR gate and all those gates. Only 3 gates are used. So three ICs are used. है ना? Please go ahead and perform your experiment. सब परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं ना? Everyone is performing.
जी
है ना? Please perform, है ना? On your laptops. ये सबका परफॉर्म हो गया. So
जी
okay, so while performing your experiment, please look carefully at the circuit, how they have connected the circuit, है ना? This is the way you are supposed to connect this in your lab when you are physically performing the simulations. Okay, in your breadboard circuit. And while performing your experiment, carefully look at the circuit, how they have connected the circuit. Okay, so first of all, what you will do, you'll connect your VCC first, है ना? Then you will give your input as A and B. If your input A is high, the difference is 1 and there is no borrow. And if you add this, you will get your truth table entry in this table, है ना? If both inputs are high, if you add this, input A is high, input B is high, difference is 0 and borrow is 0, है ना? If input B is high, your output is 1, difference is 1 and borrow is also 1, and we add it like this. Okay, so any doubt in this circuit?
नहीं भैया.
Okay, everyone is good with this experiment? Okay, so please go ahead and look at the full subtractor circuit also.